What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Best Part of Me by Ed Sheeran and YEBBA. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to drop kick you off a turnbuckle. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this is a pretty fun song. You're going to be in standard tuning. There's a few different chords that you need to know, and if you need the diagrams, as always, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's got all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need them, jump into the video description once you get done with the video and pick that up. For now, I'm going to show you how to play the intro riff, which is nothing that is actually, it doesn't sound like it's anything that's 100% set in stone. There's a few different notes that are definitely repeated, and I'll show you kind of what my take is on it. It's about as close as you're going to get to it, and then you can kind of like play through it however you want. I will also show you the solo in the song, and I'll also show you all the other chords and the structure through the song. So let's jump into it. So you do only need 4 chords for the song. You're going to use D major, which is 0 0 0 2 3 2. A major, 0 0 2 2 2 0. B minor, 0 2 4 4 3 2. And G major, which is 3 2 0 0 3 3. And every now and then I also do the bar chord in this song, but you can just use the regular G chord, that's fine, or you can do the bar chord if you want, whichever one's easier. The bar chord is 3 5 5 4 3 3. Now the structure for this song is going to be intro, verse 1, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, intro again, verse 3, pre-chorus, chorus, interlude with the solo, chorus out. And I know that all sounds kind of confusing, but most of those are the same exact chord progression, and I'll show you what that means. So the beginning chord progression is going to be D major, A, B minor, and then G. And what I'm doing for the picking pattern there is I'm picking open D and then my G string on the 2nd fret, and then I'm hammering on and pulling off the E string on the 2nd fret. So, and then picking the B and G string again. D, G, E, B, G. I pick the D one more time, and then for the A, I'm just doing this simple version of it because you're kind of picking through it quickly. I'm just holding down the D and the G string with my index finger, because you're just picking 2 strings for the A chord, your A and your D. So starting with the D again, and then A and D. Again, open D, G, hammer on, pull off on 2 on the E, B string, G string, D string, A, D, open A, D on 2. Next, you're going to your B minor, and for this I'm just picking, which is A, D, B, G. A, D, B, G. A, D, B, G. A, D, B, G. So from the D, finally, I'm going to the bar chord here. You can just go to the regular G chord, because all you're going to do is pick your low E on the 3rd fret. And then for this, I kind of do it a little bit differently every single time, but you can literally just pick like a low E, G, B. So it would look like, or you can even just pick E, B, and then start it all over. So yeah, all that is E, B. Same way if you're doing the bar chord, or you can give it a little, which is E, D, G, B. E, D, G, B, and then start it all over. So however you want to do that G chord, totally up to you, but all together very slowly. The intro, this is the intro and the verses. It looks like this. Now, as always, I will have the tab for that in the description as well that I've made. Again, it's probably not 100% accurate, but it's going to be like 90 to 95% accurate, so it will work, and you can kind of just play around with it. Ed Sheeran, that's kind of what he does with his songs, is I don't even think he really has like a same way that he plays it every single time. He kind of just plays with it and has fun, but there will be a tab in the description for you. Now that chord progression, that picking part, like I said, is going to be the intro. It's going to be all three of the verses. And yeah, the intro, verse 1, verse 2, the intro that happens again after the chorus, and verse 3. Next, we're going to go to the pre-chorus. Your chord progression is going to be G, D, A, B minor, A, G, D, A. And that plays twice for the pre-chorus. So again, G, D, A, B minor, A, G, D, A. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, like I said, that's going to be the exact chord progression for the pre-chorus. Now we'll jump into the chord progression for the chorus. Chord progression is going to be D, A, G, B minor, A, D, A, G. Then you're going to repeat most of that. D, A, G, B, A, D, A, G, B, A, and then it starts back over at the verse. So the way that looks like when you're strumming is going to be So I'll try and give you a little bit of the strumming pattern. It goes down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. down, down, up, down, down, up, verse. So that's the chord progression for the chorus. That might have been a little confusing. If you need to rewatch that or slow it down, pause it, please go back and do that. If you're pretty new to guitar, all these changes is going to be a little bit difficult for you to kind of grasp at the moment, but just keep practicing. You will get it down in no time, I promise. All right, now we're moving on to the solo. Again, I will have the tab for this in the description if you need it. You're going to start on the 5th fret on your low E string. You're going to hammer on to the 7th fret, and then 5th fret of the A string, hammer on to the 7th fret as well. Pick it, slide up to the 9th fret. So hammer on, slide. After that, you're just picking the 7th fret again on the A string. Then you're jumping up to the 10th fret on the high E string. You're going 10, 9, 10 on the B. Then you're going 7 on the G string, pluck. You're plucking it, sliding it up to 9, sliding it back to 7. Then pick 9. Pick 11 on the G, so up to that point it looks like then you're going back to 9, slide on the G string, slide it back down to 7, and then you're going to 7 on the D, slide it up and back down to, slide it up to 9 and back down to 7. So again, G on the 9 down to 7, and then D, slide it up to 9 and back down to 7. So from the start, from there, you're just going to hold down on the 7th fret on the D and the G string, and you're just picking D, G. Move up to the 9th fret, do the same thing. D, G. Move up to the 11th fret, same thing. D, G. 12th fret, D, G. And then pluck both of them for D on the 12th, G on the 11th. So I'm going to play this all together super slowly a couple times through so you guys can really get it down. Again, I will have the tab in the description if you need it. Jump in the description, grab the tab. It might be easier to look at the tab while you're watching the video or listening to it. So I'm going to play it super slowly. Here we go. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with a free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.